I am poised, purposeful, powerful, present, inspiring, and divinely magnetic, fulfilled, connected, strengthened, and protected. I am a mystical, sensual, enlightening visionary leader who is inviting you to expand. I am wildly awake to opportunities for myself and others and my greatest expectations and more, much more than 82 millions come to pass. I choose to be love, calm, understanding in the room, ambitious and loving. I am a connector. I reclaim all that belongs to me by divine right, and I am ready to accept, allow, and receive with a grateful, loving heart. My personal economy is abundant, powerful, and magical. I decree and declare that we all manifest financial abundance. Blessings.